Hello, Professor. My name is Li. Next, I will introduce Obama's outgroup. The first outgroup is activist. Usually because of Obama's thoughts and behaviors, this is people will not get more benefits, so they have a distant relationship with Obama. These people usually don't support Obama. And then there are supporters in his outgroup. Obama has a friendly relationship with some people in some areas. These people will support Obama in the outer circle, so Obama also gets favor of other senators. According to the article, the residents in central and southern Illinois get along well with Obama, so people will also feel good about him, and Obama has established strong connections with some people, such as the political advisor David Axel and the campaign manager Jim Cawley. In addition, the outgroup also includes people with formal employment contracts and leaders who can seek help from the leaders. This is also the internal and outer circle of exchange and cooperation. For example, the leaders of the Roman Catholic Church require employers to provide health insurance covering family planning, although they were rejected by the director of the Obama office. They were supported by another cabinet member's jury. After reaching consensus, they defeated other cabinet members and implemented health care reform. Finally, outgroup also have followers. Obama's political actions will directly benefit the people, and then they will reach a consensus with Obama actions or ideas, and then follow the leaders, so they belong to external supporters. Thank you.